Hello everyone! Today I prepared 애플슈트르젤 recipe. This recipe is very simple and easy to make it. So I'm used to make it once I have just apple. So are you ready? Then let's start. The main ingredients are apple, cinnamon, sugar, and butter and lemon. I'm gonna use a lemon zest and pinch of salt and filler. Additionally, you can put dried walnuts and dried berries or cookie crumbles and ice cream. Then let's start. Peel and remove the seed apples and sliced in the medium size. Check the taste. It's sour. The amount of sugar is dependent on the apple taste, so I need to add more sugar than I expected. The butter is melted. Can you see the yellow, beautiful yellow? I will use only this part. Yeah, we are already done with the prep part. Heat the pan medium-high heat and toast the walnut till smelling good and making golden brown like that way, and take it out on the side. Pour 2 or 3 tablespoons of melted butter. The pan is already hot, so add the apples right away. And stir around 3 to 4 minutes. Add sugar, cinnamon, and mix it all together at first. And add lemon zest, pinch of nutmeg, and a little bit of salt, and mix again. Add Granmanier. After that, turn up the heat. Add the toasted nuts and mix it all together. The apple fillings is done. Now I'm going to use the filler dough. Before that, I have something to say on how to use this filler. You can find this filler easily at any Canadian supermarket, and it is frozen when you buy it. So when we are working with filler, take it out of the freezer the night before and store it in a cooler, because we need this filler defrosted very nicely. Then I will show you how to use it. This filler is very thin and fragile, so handle it carefully. Put 1 piece of filler, brush in melted butter, and layer another piece. And try to fit together carefully and nicely without bubble, and shred. And then I will brush it melted butter again. I'm going to repeat it 5 times to make a filler crispy. From now on, it depends on yours or chef style. I'm going to divide it in half and sprinkle cookie crumble, but when you sprinkle it, 1 or 2 centimeters on the inner side, because we will cross the edge part, and put the apple peelings on the cookie crumbles and roll it up tightly. The butter is easy to harden, so brush the butter again and stick together. And cross the edge part completely. If it's not sticky, brush the butter on the filler again. Put it on the baking pan and brush on the top. And bake it at 180 Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Look at that. Looks so crispy and nice, right? Can you hear the crispy sounds? Today I chose this plate for dessert. We don't need any special decoration because basically 애플슈트르젤 is very tasty. Just spread some icing sugar and some cinnamon powder and put a scoop of ice cream. Ta-da! Today I made a simple and easy dessert that you can follow without hesitation. So promise me you also make it my recipe and let's share together. Then don't forget about subscribe and likes please. And see you next time. Bye bye.